So at a time when so many of us are separated from one another, when we're practicing, be it social distancing, whether it's being in quarantine, perhaps even separated from the people that we care about, it's really easy to feel disconnected and alone in our struggle, in our suffering. But you'll know from your community that this is something that we're all going through together. In New York City, in New York State right now, you are all going through this together. And I think it's really important to come back to that each and every day. When we sit with our own thoughts and we focus on how that feels, the world feels very small. And we tend to feel more stressed, we tend to feel more anxious. When we remember that we're all connected in this shared human experience, then somehow it doesn't take any of the difficulties away, and it doesn't negate how serious and severe some of the problems are. But it does bring about a different kind of feeling in the body and in the mind. That sense of shared experience, it brings a sense of relief, brings a sense of comfort, but it also brings a sense of strength, a sense of resilience, and a feeling that actually on our own, yes, we might struggle, but together we can kind of get through this. Again, it's not to say that there won't be a cost, because we know the cost. We're watching the cost happening right now. But it does mean in being together, we can feel a greater sense of connection with our community. Perhaps even realizing opportunities, and we're seeing this already, incredible individuals and groups coming together to act in the community, recognizing that this is something that all of us are experiencing. And the more of that we can have in New York, the better it will be.